everyone, I'm Tanya. Welcome to Infinity Learn NEET by Sri Chaitanya. And today in this particular session, we will be discussing in the most simplest and the summarized way about the disorders of the muscular system. Yes, this topic is very important. A lot of PYQs have already come from this particular topic, which belongs to the chapter Locomotion and Movement from the Human Physiology unit of grade 11. So today, I will be telling you about all the disorders in the most summarized way. Let's get started. So, the first disorder is going to be Myasthenia gravis. It's an autoimmune disorder. Whenever I say that any disorder is autoimmune disorder, you have to understand that autoimmune disorder is basically that disorder where the immune system of your body, is not able to recognize between self and non-self cells, and the immune system of your body starts attacking your own body cells. Okay, so Myasthenia gravis ke case mein that happens when the immune system starts attacking your own muscle cells, and that is how the muscles are not able to perform functionally. Okay. The next is going to be tetany, which is like the spasm of the muscles. When there is continuous spasm of the muscles taking place, उसे हम tetany कहते हैं, जिसमें contraction and relaxation of the muscles, it suffers unbearably. Okay. Then the third we have is arthritis. Arthritis, we all know, it's the inflammation of the joints. When the joints pain a lot. और वहीं इससे रिलेटेड एक और डिसऑर्डर होता है which is known as rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is also an example of the autoimmune disorder. Okay. Now, the next disorder is going to be osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is basically an age-related disorder. ठीक है? This is common in women. क्योंकि ये disorder होने के chances तब है when there is decrease in the estrogen level. तो जो older women होती है, जब उनको menopause हो जाता है, ठीक है, when the menopause hits, तो estrogen के levels automatically कम हो जाते हैं body में, जिस वजह से there are high chances of this disorder. इस disorder में क्या होता है, जो bone mass होता है, जो bone density होती है, वो decrease हो जाता है, and there are increased chances of fracture. Okay, there is decrease in bone density. Okay, so this is osteoporosis. And the last disorder is going to be gout. Gout is also the inflammation of joints, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो inflammation of joints होता है, that is due to the deposition of larger amount of uric acid crystals. Inflammation of joints due to deposition of uric acid. As we already know that uric acid is also a nitrogenous waste which is also present in our body, though we are ureotelic. But when there is larger quantity of uric acid being deposited, उस वजह से inflammation of joints हो सकते हैं, जिसे हम gout कहते हैं. Okay, so that was it for today's session. That was a summarized version of all the disorders that happens due to the muscular system, right? And now, before wrapping up the session, I want to remind you about the All India Test Series pack, which is still live, and you get all these amazing features over here. You can get this amazing test series pack only in rupees 2,999, only if you apply the coupon code, which is YouTube50 off. So the link is mentioned in the description. Please check out the description, click on the link, and get this amazing test series pack. Okay, now if you found this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss any notifications coming on your feed. Thank you.